Hi all, I hope you all are doing fine in this pandemic. As you all know that the registration deadline of the NQT is over, so now it's time to pull up your socks. You might be wondering about the right strategy of attempting questions in the exam. Because no matter how much study, if you didn't know the right strategy for the exam, then you might left most of the questions.
Let's consider the situation of a student whose name is Raj. Raj is dedicatedly preparing for his NQT exam. But Raj is getting demotivated because he didn't know the right strategy of attempting the questions.
Let's discuss some tips and tricks which will help you in the exam. The very first tip is never ever spend too much time on a single question. If you didn't get the answer of a question, and you have already given much time to that question, then just mark that for future and move to next question. Because you have plenty of questions in the exam, so you can revisit that after attempting other questions.
Second tip is regarding smart working. When you read a question, then you got the path of solving that question. So just analyze how much time that question might take for solving. If you think that it might take more time or there might come some error while solving this question, then mark it for future and attempt that question first, which can be solved quickly. Because the most important thing in any exam is not about solving most of the questions, but it is about solving most of the questions correctly. Next important rule of thumb in any examination is that never ever panic if you can't solve 3 to 4 questions in a row. Because they might be difficult, and if they are difficult, then they are surely difficult for others too. And even sometimes there might be case that the question is wrong. So don't hesitate, just keep moving forward.
Code compilation is a very big issue in the exam. Even a single compilation may take half a minute, or maybe in the worst case it takes a minute too. So compile your code only if you are pretty much sure that there are no compilation errors and your code can run correctly. Always remember this tip. This will save you a lot of time in exam.
Do you know guessing is a crime? Even if you have doubt between two options, still there is a 50% chance that your answer might be wrong. So never ever guess in any exam if there is negative marking.
In NQT there are no negative marking for fill in the blank type questions. So make sure to attempt all of them. Maybe your guess will be correct.
Do not overwhelmed by passing only the public test cases of coding question. Because you will get marks only if you pass all the private test cases. So make sure to check your code for all the corner test cases. Because that's where every developer's code fail.
Enough for the exam part. If you are not mentally prepared, then you can't give your 100% in the exam. Make sure to have a good night's sleep before the exam.
These 7 tips you need to keep in your mind. And trust me, this will save hell a lot of your time in the exam. Don't worry if you didn't prepare well for the exam because of some reason. You will get hell a lot of opportunities in the future, and obviously, a single piece of exam can't decide your future.
Just give your best shot. All the very best for the exam, and I wish you clear the exam with flying colors.